Have you ever wondered, where is human evolution taking us next? It's a thought that might have crossed your mind as you ponder the vast expanse of human history and the mysteries that lie beyond our present. Evolution, that ceaseless engine of change, has guided us along an intricate path of development. Yet, the road ahead remains shrouded in uncertainty. Let's embark on a journey through time to explore the past, present, and future of human evolution. The journey of human evolution begins millions of years ago. A time so remote it's almost beyond our grasp. Yet, it was during this epoch that the first hominids, our earliest ancestors, emerged. These hominids were not quite human, but they bore the first inklings of traits that would come to define us. One such trait was bipedalism, the ability to walk on two legs. This was a game changer. It freed up our ancestors' hands, allowing them to interact with the world in new and complex ways. Bipedalism also gave them a height advantage, enabling them to spot both predators and prey from a distance. And they didn't stop at walking. The first hominids were also the first tool users. They used stones, sticks, and bones to hunt, gather, and defend themselves. These tools were rudimentary, but they were a start, marking the dawn of technology. The next significant leap came with the rise of Homo Sapiens, around 300,000 years ago. This species, our species, brought something new to the table: the development of language. Language allowed thoughts, ideas, and experiences to be shared and built upon. It transformed us into a species capable of collective learning and cooperation on a scale never seen before. These early steps set the stage for the incredibly complex creatures that we are today. Each stage, each leap, was a stepping stone, leading us to the precipice of the future, where we stand today. Fast forward to about 10,000 years ago, a revolutionary change swept across humanity. This monumental shift was the agricultural revolution, a period that forever altered the course of human evolution. Before this time, our ancestors led nomadic lives as hunter-gatherers, constantly on the move in search of food. But then, something changed. Humans began to settle down, cultivating the land and domesticating animals. This was the dawn of agriculture, the birth of farming as we know it. The agricultural revolution wasn't just about growing crops and raising livestock, though. It fundamentally reshaped our species and the world we inhabit. For the first time, humans were able to produce a surplus of food. This surplus led to population growth and the ability to sustain larger communities. It freed up time for people to specialize in tasks other than food production, leading to the rise of diverse professions and the development of complex societies. But the impact didn't stop there. As societies grew, so did the need for organization and control. This led to the creation of social structures, hierarchies, and eventually, the establishment of governments. Technological advancements followed suit. Tools became more sophisticated, buildings more robust, and knowledge more refined. The agricultural revolution also sparked the development of written language. With the need to record transactions, track possessions, and communicate complex ideas, humans began to put pen to paper, or rather stylus to clay tablet. This was a game changer. It allowed information to be stored and shared across generations, facilitating the spread of knowledge and culture. As profound as these changes were, they were not without their drawbacks. The shift to farming also brought about social inequality, disease, and environmental degradation. But despite these challenges, the agricultural revolution set the stage for the world as we know it today. The agricultural revolution was a turning point in human history, but it was just the beginning. The next big leap in our evolutionary journey came with the Industrial Revolution. As we hopped onto the fast-paced train of industrialization, our lives transformed dramatically. The Industrial Revolution, a period between the mid-18th to mid-19th century, was a time of great change. It marked a shift from an agrarian society to one dominated by industry and the manufacture of machinery. This era brought about the rise of cities, as people flocked to urban areas in search of jobs and better living conditions. The city became the epicenter of our existence. Our habitat evolved from the open fields to the concrete jungles. Our bodies and minds adapted to this new environment, evolving to handle the hustle and bustle of city life. But the revolution didn't stop there. The urbanization also led to improved healthcare. With advancements in medical science, diseases that were once fatal became treatable. The result? An increased life expectancy. Humanity was not only surviving, but thriving. Our evolution was no longer just about survival, but about improving the quality of life. And just as we were getting comfortable, along came the digital revolution. The advent of computers and the internet brought about another significant shift in our evolution. We were no longer just physical beings but digital ones as well. We started to live in two worlds simultaneously, the physical world and the digital world. Our brains developed to multitask, to process information at lightning speed. The digital age is shaping our evolution in ways we are only beginning to understand. In essence, the Industrial Revolution and the Digital Revolution have not only changed the way we live, but also the way we evolve. We've adapted, we've grown, and we've evolved to meet the challenges of these new environments. We've come a long way, but what does the future hold? As we look to the future, it's clear that our evolutionary journey is far from over. Our past has been shaped by environmental adaptations, technological innovations, and cultural shifts, and these factors will undoubtedly continue to influence our evolution. One potential path for human evolution lies in genetic engineering. Advances in technology have given us unprecedented control over our own biology. We now have the ability to manipulate our genetic code, potentially eliminating genetic diseases, enhancing our physical and intellectual abilities, and even extending our lifespan. Yet, this path is fraught with ethical questions and potential risks. Could we unintentionally create new diseases? Could genetic enhancements widen the gap between the rich and the poor? Could we lose something fundamental to our humanity in the process? Another potential route for our evolution is through cyborg enhancements. Already, we see this in the form of prosthetics and implants that can restore lost abilities or even surpass the capabilities of the human body. In the future, we might see more radical enhancements, such as brain-computer interfaces that could expand our cognitive abilities, or nanobots that could repair our bodies at a cellular level. The final frontier of our evolution might be space. As we colonize other planets, we will have to adapt to new environments. Over time, these adaptations could lead to speciation, the process by which new species are formed. Imagine a future where there are multiple species of humans, each adapted to different planets or even different star systems. The future of human evolution is a vast and unexplored landscape full of possibilities and uncertainties. It's a thrilling prospect, but it's also a sobering reminder of the responsibility we have to guide our own evolution in a way that is ethical, equitable, and sustainable. Only time will tell what the next chapter in human evolution will look like. So, where is human evolution taking us next? The answer is as fascinating as it is unpredictable. We've embarked on a journey through the annals of human history, from the dawn of humankind, through the agricultural and industrial revolutions, and now, we stand on the precipice of the future, looking forward into an array of possibilities. We've seen how our ancestors adapted and evolved, how they learned to cultivate the land and build civilizations. We've understood how the Industrial Revolution changed not just our societies but our very biology, making us taller, healthier, and longer-lived. In the modern era, we've witnessed the rise of digital technologies, bioengineering, and artificial intelligence. These advancements are shaping us in ways we are only beginning to understand. They are altering our lives, our societies, and yes, even our very bodies and minds. When we look to the future, it's clear that our evolution is far from over. It's an ongoing process, one that continues to be shaped by our technologies, our environments, and our choices. We are not just passive observers in this process, but active participants. Our actions, our decisions, our innovations, they all play a role in shaping what comes next. The future of human evolution is not set in stone. It's a story that's still being written, a journey that's still unfolding. It's a future that's ripe with potential, teeming with possibilities. It's a future that we, as a species, get to shape. We are not just the product of our past, but the architects of our future. And that's an inspiring and empowering thought. So let's keep exploring, let's keep questioning, let's keep pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. Because the more we understand about our past, the more informed we can be about our future. One thing is certain, the future of human evolution is a journey worth watching.